Deltacron meaning a putative combination of the Delta and Omicron versions of the COVID-19 virus has been given the moniker Deltacron. Nevertheless, many scientific professionals believe that this combination does not exist. An increasing number of virologists have asserted that the appearance of a merged strain was only a product of contamination of the samples in which it was first believed to have been identified. The term Deltacron was initially adopted by the Cyprus Virology Laboratory that made the discovery and published the results in a scientific journal. The laboratory has stood by its findings. Many of the specialists who have expressed skepticism about the probability that it is a mixed variation have pointed out that such combinations are feasible, but that the samples in issue show typical indicators of contamination, according to the experts. The possibility of being infected by numerous strains of COVID-19 at the same time exists, but this is uncommon and is not what Deltacron is referring to when he says many. Many public health authorities have expressed opposition to the usage of names such as Deltacron and Flurona, claiming that they are sensationalistic and frequently inaccurate in their description of the drugs. In a related vein, the slang term scariant, a combination of the words scary and variant, is sometimes used to refer to non-existent variants or to entities whose names suggest that they are a new variant when they are not. For example, in cases of co-infection, which refers to two infections that occur at the same time but are distinct from one another.